Lainey Lou, turn it.
No, turn it.
Turn with your handles. With the handles. Yeah, like that. Good job. Now push. Push.
Uh-oh.
You're okay, push. Like this. If you turn it and push.
Oh, Lainey did it.
You did it. Good job, Lainey. What is that you're on? What's that called?
Scooter.
What is it?
Scooter.
Scooter. What's on your head?
Helmet.
Your helmet? Is there butterflies on your helmet?
Yeah.
Here, look at the camera. Say, I love my scooter.
I love my scooter.
Oh, cute.
Let's see. Let's see.
I'll show you in a minute when you're done.